You want to make slime without glue or activator? That's like solving a problem without the usual tools. It's creative and messy, but totally possible. Don't worry, you don't need glue factories or chemistry labs, just common stuff lying around your house. The original recipe demands glue and activator, like borax, but not everyone wants to mess with those. Maybe you're out of supplies, or you're trying to avoid certain chemicals. Either way, this is for you. The process? Super simple. Start with a base ingredient. In this case, we'll be using dish soap. Yep, the same stuff you use to clean your plates. Aim for something thick and colorful because transparency or runniness just won't cut it. Pour about 2 tablespoons of dish soap into a bowl. Measurements don't have to be exact, but less than that won't give you enough slime, and more can get too sticky to handle. Pro tip, use a glass bowl for easier cleanup. Next, grab some cornstarch. Don't have any? Corn flour works too. Slowly add cornstarch to the dish soap, about 1 teaspoon at a time. You're building the consistency, so don't dump a ton in all at once. Take it slow, stir those two together. The mixture will start off clumpy, and that's okay. You'll notice it begins forming a dough-like consistency. If it's still sticky after mixing for a bit, sprinkle in more cornstarch, slowly, patiently. The pain point here? Sticky hands. If you're frustrated about the mess, dust your fingers with cornstarch before touching the slime. It's like wearing gloves, but cooler. Plus, it makes handling the slime easier until it's the right texture. Now, knead. Imagine you're kneading pizza dough, but for fun, not for dinner. This step smooths out the mixture and brings it to life. Keep kneading until it has that soft, stretchy, non-sticky feel you associate with slime. At this point, you can add some flair. Food coloring, glitter, or even tiny beads, this is where the aesthetics shine. Not mandatory, but if you're trying to impress your friends, this step is key. Everyone loves a little sparkle. Still not stretchy enough? Add a little more dish soap or even a teaspoon of water. Too runny? Cornstarch to the rescue in tiny amounts. It's all about balance. Don't give up. Every mix is salvageable with patience. Once you're happy with it, the slime is ready for action. Stretch it, squish it, do all the satisfying things you've seen on oddly addictive Instagram videos. Feels good, doesn't it? You made that. Without the usual messy ingredients. Store it in an airtight container when you're done playing. Homemade slime dries out faster than the glue and activator kind. But if it does get a little crusty, a drop of water and some re-kneading can bring it back to life. So there you go, slime made from stuff in your kitchen. No glue, no activator, just creativity and cornstarch doing all the work. Fun, low mess, and impressive. Give it a try. Who knew soap could be this entertaining?